Welcome to Dotted. We're the platform that keeps everyone aligned always. The easiest way to get started with Dotted is by creating an auto status project. I have one here that's already been set up. So if I was using Dotted, the thing that I would see every morning when I show up is a status slide and an overview document that have been updated with my real Jira and my real Teams conversations. So here's what this status slide looks like. This is the default one, but it can be configured with any real format that you have, any slide that you want, really any kind of document that you might be using to send your status upward. And you can see that it's pulling in information from the real Jira about real Dotted and what's going on with us right now. I also have another document that's been created here as an overview document, just in case I have a different leader who has some different format. You can have as many of these as you need. This document has actually already been commented on by a virtual version of Duni Abiodun, who's really my co-founder, but we're going to pretend he's my boss, telling me what he thinks about this update. This is coming from a virtual stakeholder that we created by inferring how Duni talks, thinks, and acts from me and his team's conversations. You can also have as many of these as you want. And in this situation, he's listed as not just a stakeholder, but also as a sort of a subscriber for this work. So what's making this happen under the covers? Well, we have an integration with Jira. We have an integration with Teams. We have an automation that runs something that updates those two documents every single day. And if it looks good to me, I can come here and I can hit this publish button, which then pushes the content out into a global part of Dotted, the outer loop of Dotted, where Dooney's Dotted can be a subscriber and pull this information in for his own updates. The idea is that you can use Dotted to map to a real hierarchy across a really large organization and be able to pass status upwards to reach QBR level detail in every 24 or 48 hours rather than 90 days.